Hey everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received these AA rechargeable batteries for reviewing purposes, and it's a really nice set because it comes with its charger, making it a really powerful option. Okay, we got in here a USB-A to Type C charging cable that we're gonna use with the charging case and the proper information manual. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. We have the unit right here. It's quite nice. I like it. We can open it and we can see the batteries right here. These they are. It's a total of 8 batteries, and to connect it you just have to take your USB-A power adapter and plug it in with the cable. Okay, give me a second so I can connect it. And just plug it in, and we can see there are some LEDs indicating that they are ready to use, which I think that it's really nice. And with this set, I think that it's perfect because you can just take it with you whenever you need it. If you are using a remote control for your TV, you can interchange them. And what I think that they're gonna come really handy is for my Xbox controller, since I don't have batteries anymore with it. I think they are nice. These are some old batteries that they are out of use, and I'm just gonna place these ones. And we can use them, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, you can use it if your game control is run out of batteries, if your TV remote needs one, your AC controller, whatever you need. I think that it's a really nice set, and as it comes with 8 different batteries, you can use them on a ton of devices if you want, or if you're just gonna use 2 of them at the same time, like I'm gonna do in this case, it will be really nice because you have 6 different spare batteries that you can change whenever you want, which I think that it's perfect. Overall, I think that they are really nice. As I've said, having them as AA, it's a great choice because, well, it's the most used types of batteries that you will need day to day, and I think that it's really nice that it comes really well protected with its charging case. It's quite sturdy, making it a really great option. Overall, I like them a lot and I will really recommend them. See you guys!